First exercise. Begin on your knees with your hands placed shoulder-width apart on the ground. Lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows, keeping your core tight. Push through your hands to return to the starting position, fully extending your arms. Repeat.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name. Grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Second exercise. Sit on the edge of a bench or chair with your hands next to your thighs. Move your buttocks off the edge and extend your legs forward. Lower your body by bending your elbows until they form a 90-degree angle. Push through your palms to lift your body back to the starting position. Repeat. Third exercise. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you and your hands placed behind you, fingers pointing towards your feet. Lift your hips off the floor by straightening your arms. Bend your elbows to lower your body towards the floor without sitting down. Press through your hands to straighten your arms and lift your body back up. Repeat. Fourth exercise. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Take a step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Keep your torso upright and your front knee directly above your ankle. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side and continue alternating for the desired number of repetitions. Fifth exercise. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and arms extended to the sides at shoulder height. Slowly rotate your arms forward in a large circular motion. Complete the desired number of forward rotations. Reverse the direction and rotate your arms backward for the same number of repetitions.
Would you be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track? You can get away with it. Could you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition? No apologies, my baby.
Sixth exercise. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly to create a V shape with your torso and thighs. Interlace your fingers or hold your hands together in front of your chest. Twist your torso to one side, then to the other, engaging your abs with each rotation. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions, keeping your movements controlled. 7th exercise. Lie on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Place your hands behind your head or across your chest. Engage your abs and lift your shoulders off the floor. Lower back down to the starting position. Repeat. Last exercise. Sit on the ground with your legs bent and feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly and place your hands behind your head. Lift your feet off the ground slightly for balance. Crunch to one side, bringing your elbow towards your hip while keeping the other side still. Return to the center and then crunch to the other side. Alternate sides for the desired number of repetitions.
No sorry.